have the E Wonder Chopper. So this thing's pretty cool looking. It has LEDs in all the prop guards, so it does light up. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Let's take a quick look inside this box. Alright, let's start with the manual. It comes with a manual that, well, there you can see all the functions of the controller. Tells you how to charge the battery. It requires 3 AAA batteries for the controller. There is a battery included in the drone. But yeah, so. And then what do we have here? We have a thank you note. Here is this little bag of goodies. We have, looks like a spare prop for each corner. So we have 2 white ones, 2 black ones, and then a USB charging cable. Here is the remote. It is non-altitude hold. Go. And here is the quad. So it's a pretty decent sized quad. Not real heavy, so that's good. And here is the battery. So it looks like a 3.7 volt. Let's see how many milliamp hours. It is 380 milliamp hours. So 3.7 volt LiPo, and then right here is your on and off switch. So let's plug this in and check out the LEDs. Oh, they have this cable tucked in there. There we go. So we'll plug it in, turn it on, check out the LEDs. So there it is. Obviously it's flashing because of not being bound to the controller. I got to get this battery charged up and then we're ready to fly. Alright, here we are with the flight test of the E Wonder Chopper, and I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. It is kind of cloudy, the sun's about to go down, so you should be able to see these LEDs pretty well. So we're going to turn the quad on, and then we're going to up down to bind, and let's take off. Now it is non-altitude hold. Okay, the blue is the front of the quad and the red is the rear. So now this is the first rate. There is multiple speeds. I'm not sure how many speeds we have on this thing, but let's check it out. So there was 2 beeps. Oh, you could definitely see a difference in the pitch there. And it is a little bit quicker. Do we have 3 beeps? Oh yeah, there's 3 beeps. So this thing does have 3 different speeds, and wow, you definitely can tell a difference with it. So let's see how well it flips. Oh, it doesn't flip too bad for its size. Let's do another flip here. Yeah, it flips pretty nice. Another flip. Okay, I like it. This thing's pretty nice. So let's try another option, which was like a LED. Okay, so I hit the LED light effect button, and all right, well, it's flashing. So let's try. So if you hit the bottom button, it just does a flash, just a steady flash like that. And then if you hit the other button, the top button for the light effects, it turns them solid then. So not really like anything spectacular. I thought maybe it would do like random corners that would flash, or just like patterns or something, but apparently it doesn't. But this thing flies pretty nice, and when it's coming towards you, pitched towards you with the LEDs, you can really tell that it's heading right towards you, especially in the
in the highest rate. Let's do another flip. Ooh, yeah. It's really quiet too. I like how quiet it is. You can hardly hear it. I don't even know if the GoPro's picking up the sound of it. It is super quiet. When I get it all the way across the field there, I can hardly hear it. But you see that? We have a flashing light already. So that means the battery's low, and I can't believe it's flashing already. So let's just fly this thing out until it can't fly anymore. Hopefully it doesn't just drop out of the sky, because it's gonna land in some snow. Hopefully this snow is out of here. We just got like a couple inches of snow the other day, and it's supposed to warm up, and hopefully most of the snow will be gone, because I hate snow and it really ruins your opportunities to get out. Oh, Eric. Okay, good. I kept it nearby so that way it wouldn't land in the snow. But that was the E Wonder Chopper, and it's a pretty good drone. I like the way it flies. It's really easy to fly. The only thing is, as you saw, the battery died really fast. Maybe the cold affected it a little bit, because it is kind of cold out right now, but it died pretty fast. So that's all I can really show you about this. It doesn't have a lot of features. It just has, like I said, the trim on here, and then it does that light effect thing, which isn't really much of anything. And it does flips, and you have 3 different speeds. So I covered most of everything on the control, but I must say I do like this drone.
So if you are watching this and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button right over here. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.